Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Insta360 Ace Pro. So I got this from Amazon on sale for $279. $279 on sale from Amazon. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this action camera out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the Insta360 Ace Pro. This is co-engineered with Leica. Capture Action Smarter. Here's the action camera itself. Here it comes with a flip screen so you can see yourself record. And it has a beautiful body design as we can see here. Let's go ahead and take a look on the sides of the box. On this side of the box, it features a 1" 1/3 sensor. It has a pure video function. It has 4K 120 slow-mo. It has a flow state stabilization and horizon lock, and it has a free frame video. So those are the features on this side of the box. Let's go ahead and take a look on the other side of the box. So on this side of the box, it talks about AI highlight assistance. It has a 2.4 flip screen. This is waterproof up to 33 feet. It has a magnetic mounting system, and it has an voice and gesture control. So those are the main features of the Insta360 Ace Pro. And let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So on the back side of the box here, we have images of the ideal scenarios of how to you would use your Insta360 Ace Pro, whether it's underwater or outside. Here it talks about what is inside of the box, which includes the Insta360 Ace Pro, the battery, a standard mount, a flexible adhesive mount, a Type-C to C cable, and of course the quick start guide. So those are the things that we will be checking out pretty soon. And here's the rest of the back side of the box. And yeah, so let's go ahead and take out our X-Acto knife, which I have here and ready to go. And let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So I am super excited for the Insta360 Ace Pro. I've been using the GoPro Hero action cameras, and I have heard great things about the Insta360 Ace Pro, especially when it comes to low light video, which we'll be testing out pretty soon. So let's go ahead and remove the shrink wrap, and let's go ahead and finally unbox the Insta360 Ace Pro. And here it is. Here it is, the Insta360 Ace Pro on your right, as you can see right there. On our left is illustrations of how to start up the Insta360 Ace Pro. And here it talks about how you would mount this. And yeah, so pretty simple illustrations. And here is the camera itself, and you have to download the Insta360 app to take advantage of the full functionality of the Insta360 Ace Pro. So let's go ahead and take this compartment out and see what we have here. Obviously, it's going to be all the stuff that we just mentioned. And yeah, so here is the quick start guide and some other stuff. Here we have our mounts, our cable, And let's go ahead and take a closer look at these things since this is an unboxing video. Here it comes with stickers, Insta360, think bold. Love their branding. It comes with a warranty card, a quick start guide. So here's a closer look at the quick start guide. Pretty straightforward. And here's the back side of the quick start guide. And yeah, so here is the rest of the reading materials, which talks about waterproofing and some safety guidelines. And yeah, so let's go ahead and put that away. And let's go ahead and check out what we have here. This is the standard mount for the Insta360 Ace Pro. Here's a closer look at the Insta360 standard mount. And this has got to be the flexible adhesive. Here's the flexible adhesive. Kind of like a GoPro mount. And I'm afraid that this is, here it says it can be used one time. And here's the cable, which is USB Type-C to Type-C. A really high quality cable from Insta360. And yeah, so here is the action camera. Here's a closer look. And let's go ahead and peel off the protective film. Here you have the indicator screen, your Leica lens. Here are the sides of the Insta360 Ace Pro. And here's the flip screen. This is a 2.4-inch flip screen. And let's go ahead and remove this part, which is your mounting system. And yeah, so let's go ahead and flip up the flip screen. And here you have it. The Insta360 Ace Pro. This is where you access your battery compartment. Here's your power button and the compartment for your micro SD card and USB slot. You can also charge it with the camera. And yeah, so let's go ahead and take the standard mount, and it's pretty easy. It's magnetic and it just attaches like that. And if you want to detach it, all you have to do is squeeze these two buttons and there you have it. Let's go ahead and take this outside. So we are outside at Griffith Park in Los Angeles, California. Let's go ahead and take a look at the user interface. If you swipe up, you can change your resolution and frame rate. If you swipe this way, you can change the lighting. Swipe from your left to access your videos. Swipe down to change the settings of your Insta360 Ace Pro. So here is some test footage of the Insta360 Ace Pro. Really love the high quality video. Here is some indoor video of the Griffith Observatory. Really love the lighting. And as it gets darker, I really like how the image quality holds up. Here's the video quality without pure video. And here is with pure video enabled. Such a huge difference. And yeah, so I really love the Insta360 Ace Pro. That will do it for this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about the Insta360 Ace Pro. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. And I'll definitely see you on next one.